Okay, so you have your new Google Analytics 4 account set up, but have you properly configured your conversion tracking in GA4? Especially using the new powerful Automotive Standards Council specification? Hi, my name is George Nenni, and I'm hosting an exciting GA4 workshop at the upcoming Digital Dealer Conference and Expo in Las Vegas, October 8th through the 10th. If you feel like your website traffic and conversion data is disappearing into an analytics black hole, then my GA4 workshop is definitely for you. In my session, I'll teach you how to monitor every digital touchpoint using GA4's new powerful event and conversion tracking. You'll learn to leverage the new Automotive Standards Council events, the ASC events, unlocking measurement of the shopping journey from the first touch all the way to the sale. We'll show you best practices around site analytics, as well as potential pitfalls to avoid. I will demonstrate exactly how to spotlight engagement gaps across campaigns and channels. You'll leave with the tool to be able to diagnose data blind spots and take action on interactions that most platforms are ignoring. I'll see you at the Digital Dealer 2024 as we demystify GA4 conversion tracking together. I'll see you there.